Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Toyota Highlander, and we're going to go over how you would replace this switch. The cover is not, we don't replace the cover, but we're replacing the switches that make the windows go up and down. Sometimes these wear out and they'll on their little toggles, and you'll hit them and they won't go up or down, or the electric somehow wear out. This is also for your window mirror control, and we got the left and the right, and depending which mirror you want, and then you just move it back and forth to get your mirrors to go which direction you want them to go. But say something goes wrong in here, we're going to go over how you'd replace that. So first we need to take our non-marring tool, pop the back up, okay. Then we're going to pop the front. Alright, and with those popped out, now we can just pull, and there's the electric connectors on the back that we're going to undo. And then we've got 3 screws right here to undo to pull this electric unit out. Those 3 screws removed, that way we replace, this is all one whole unit, and we replace all of this portion as one. This here is one separate unit, and this is for the mirror control, and so you just pop this clip out. We'll pop that out in a second. Alright, so easiest way to remove this is just kind of push your finger down on the knob there, and then work your way around with the small screwdriver, popping all the little tabs that are holding it in, and we remove that. If you need to replace just this one unit for adjusting your mirrors, so. And then when you get your new one, just line it up in the orientation to reinstall and snap it back into place. And then the actual window switch, we just slide it up into place, tighten the 3 screws. And with those 3 screws tightened back into place, everything has been put back on, and then we just hook the electric back up and clamp it back into place. And so that's how you replace your window switch, or the switches inside the door. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.